So you have to open your eye because now all they talk about Nigeria problem, people they chop belle full go say, anybody want with me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. Now when people no see food chop begin see your neck like turkey. Bro, everybody's less busy, there's no work. That's why somebody where they make minister leave the work. They go about the grant interview for presidential candidate whenever we in a minister here too. Baba work day, 9 week get time they sing as they paying them. It's less busy, bro. Even though all the things we get the commission. Work no day anywhere. Everybody now to survive, you need different jobs. That's why who open hospital now, they open mortuary, who no survive go die. Most times when we talk about Nigeria problem, people will affect the most, now they will cost you. You post video to address, they'll say, Baba, face your comedy. At least you know so I get work. You, which one be your work? But I know if you tell you to face anything because you can't face anywhere, you know. So Nigeria is collapsing. Yeah. If you look around, don't let nobody deceive you. There's no system that's designed to protect you. The system is there to protect itself. You don't care about it. Check them now. We go complain about robbery. Like Lagos, where would they stay, where this guy build? By the way, if na Lagos if from come, now God do for you. No need to pay rent again, no. Or na Tinubu build Lagos. So if your landlord come, tell him, go call the landlord. Go call your guy. You know, so like every tenant they tell the landlord, say, go call who build Lagos. Now that's how we go really know who build Lagos. Because your tenant say, go call who build Lagos, go see your landlord, hey, you see this part of Lagos? Now me build them. Now me build this side. Because it's crazy. Where would they go? We don't know whether would they go front, whether would they go back. Nigeria is the only country when you travel, you be like, would they go the future? When you come back, you can't come to the past. You can't do present, they do like this, past and future. Everything is confused. It's collapsing now. What do we get to lose? Look well, I know they tell people to vote wisely. I don't really know what that means. Which one be if you want copy, I'll be talking. Which one be like saying I know they talk vote wisely. The system does not care about it. In Lagos, they rob us every day. Go dey traffic, they go rob you. Anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you. They don't care. So you have to open your eye because now all they talk about Nigeria problem, people they chop belle full go say, anybody want with me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. And when people no see food chop, begin see your neck like turkey. Once you pass the soul, boy, see meat. Because you fit say you do okay, you get 100 million, you get 50 million. Once you pass Kaduna Abuja Expressway, you are broke. You are broke, bro. If you look Nigeria well, nothing they want to tell me. Everybody where they government and they smoke Igbo. No, I even insult Igbo self. Because Igbo no really bad like that. They goof. Wait till that. Because if you hear government policy, you know if you tell me say somebody know they there where they sell them. Because hear news. ASU extend strike to another month. You as a Nigerian, you go to complain they are keeping the children for 8 months. You call here another news. Naira crashes to the dollar, 7.45. You see they complain about forex. Things they cost. You call here another news. 15 kidnapped on Abuja highway. You go still complain insecurity. Then tomorrow morning you come here breaking news for your mind. Government want to address all these problems. They don't delegate on how to solve it. Next way you go here. Federal government bank for more. What you concern Pomo with what would they complain? Pomo? Innocent Pomo. I say no be go. They smoke one or two of these things because what did they even shock me with? They gather as the whole problem there, somebody just suggest say what we do today is to ban Pomo. They can say those who agree say aye.
Then the old people we get very delicate position. The other day one board plane, 2 pilots they argue. That one the thing that people were seeing now people will won't fly the year. They argue. Say, boy, leave me a beg. I don't they fly for 6 months now. I never crash any plane. And they owe me. Oh, I'm not flying. I know before land to take. Okay, we need to go again. Rugged Nigeria. My guy open house on Sunday. EFCC close on Monday. House where they warm on Sunday, it's sour on Monday. My God, don't tell her now. No live for Nigeria if you chase your dream. Oh. For abroad, now if you chase your dream, once you come to Nigeria, if you like say they chase you for dream. You tell her now, you know listen. Who be that picking there? At this age, you don't become comedy show. When I say like you only burial. All the polo will get for childhood. Now burial gone so soon. Adieu. See different language. Now we can't enter this career, I follow my guy, I've been doing it before I go Lagos, yeah? They go traditional marriage. I go one. All these DJ, see DJ now, DJ Dopez, DJ Fresh, DJ Spiff, they here. Their sound is clear, microphone clear. I go MC wedding for Njaba. Small wedding, The guy carries 16 speakers. At the end, only 2 they work. Come they make announcement, and then they get one mic, they go get one big foam on top. You dare not remove it. Different mouth out of that mic. I come they call women to come collect their food. And they sound like ghosts. And they hear my name. And they hear myself. People, off. Njaba, women, association. The guy comes, boy, no cross here. You be native doctor. Do your mic well. And all those weddings, the way they do for East there, if you do wedding, you know how much be whore now, you know how much be drink, you know how much be, it's expensive. All those village women, they come. Men we go even do you well. They come there outside. They wait for when couple they dance, make them go spray, go out. Old women go just full everywhere, children, they drag of anyhow. I am see one wedding on Saturday. Couple dance. Allow them. Women just line up. See, they won't give gifts. Which kind of gift? Motor pistol, one whole pistol. What is this? Now one woman won't invest me. When I look that gift where I lose in a packer. And the souvenir and a packer. You just come to exchange the color of your You this day, Regina Daniel, this day her husband being spec. That's the God of 11th hour. Do you know that Regina Daniel was in teenage church 1 week? The next week she joined Christian Mothers. Spirit of grace. That our friends now, they can't greet them after church. You go to tap them for back. How is your mommy? I didn't see her in church. Give them money to go buy ice cream. I don't know what, since I come this Port Harcourt, this patch rider, they know today misbehave. If you don't stay Lagos, you go understand. This patch rider, Baba, the way they overtake. Then go, they rush like saying a better thing, then they go deliver. Now he go and vibrator. Moto knock one for Lagos now. As the boy they drive motor knock at me 4 here in box, scatter here, 2 vibrators, just the charged once. We come with power bank, my brother. You know. Guy. And then Igbo and alcohol. Which one they high pass? Which one they make you misbehave pass? No, Igbo they coordinate you. Abi? Alcohol they make you. Because 2 guys just go one club, high, come out. The guy, the other first one don't go car. Come notice saying guy they talk to one girl. Now I ain't go meet her, so boy, you should they waste time. Go house. He say, no now, your wife did now, make her carry girl now. How much they talk? She say 70,000. I them price now, you know go take 50. The girl say no. I the guy tells so boy, leave this girl, when they go house, I go help you talk to my wife. That 50,000 you bring her with and cook soup, all of us to see. Yeah! And then bring it down.